Okay, before we look at this next problem, let's look at the symbols and what they mean because this is the background that you're going to need. Your standard deviation is sample. The textbook is going to use S. The population you use is sigma, which looks like a little O with a tail on it. But your graphing calculators usually use S sub x and sigma sub x, or the little O with the tail sub x. But the graphing calculator doesn't have variance. So just for your symbols, your population standard deviation is sigma. Your sample is S. Your mean, your population mean, your sample mean, just so that you know the difference. The variance is nothing but the standard deviation squared. So population standard deviation is going to be sigma squared. Your sample variance is your sample standard deviation squared. These are the basic symbols that you are using in this particular area. Okay, and as you see, this is basically just a symbol check here. What does the sample standard deviation need to be? Sample, S, standard deviation is not squared. Population standard deviation is sigma. It is not squared. And the sample variance would be the sample standard deviation squared. And the symbol for the population variance is sigma squared. Okay, that's